May Allah bless and keep you safe. Keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. Keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. Bless and keep you safe. Bless and keep you safe.
Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. In this clip, we will learn about the recovery position. The recovery position serves two main functions. First of all is that it will help maintain the airways of the casualty open. And secondly, if the casualty is going to be sick or they are going to vomit, then it will help drain the vomit. But remember, you will only put the casualty in a recovery position once you have completed your primary survey and addressed with each single component of the primary survey. The patient is not responding, but he is breathing, and they need to go to hospital. But until the ambulance arrives, they need to be in recovery position. Let us now demonstrate to you how to put the casualty in recovery position. Step number one is the arm that is closest to you, you need to bring it away from the body. Then the arm that is further away from you, you need to hold it thumb to thumb. Then bring it all the way and put the back of the hand to their cheek and then support their palm with your palm. And you need to keep that in that position. That was step number two. Step number three, you need to lift the knee that is away from you and then hold on to it. Step number four will be simply using the knee as a lever and pulling it towards you. Whilst you are pulling the patient towards yourself, you need to make sure that you are supporting their head with your other hand.
May Allah bless and keep you safe. Bless and keep you safe.
And then step number five is that you need to stabilize this position by moving the knee in this position, and then you will try to put something under their head, a pillow.
May Allah bless and keep you safe.
You will make sure that the patient is breathing. You will assess their breathing and you will keep the patient in this recovery position. Try to reassure them, and until the ambulance arrives, they will remain in this position and you should not leave them on their own. This completes our recovery position. I hope you will find this video beneficial.
May Allah bless and keep you safe. Keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. Keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. Bless and keep you safe.